Welcome to Momo Cooking Channel. Today let's stir fry Shimeiji mushrooms with tofu. You need only 3 ingredients for this recipe. Shimeiji mushrooms, chopped garlic and tofu. Sliced tofu. Cut off Shimeiji mushroom stem, break mushrooms with hand. Stir-fry tofu until both sides golden brown. Stir-fry chopped garlic. Add Shimeiji mushrooms and sauté. Seasoning and sauté another 30 seconds. And drizzle sesame oil. Stir-fry Shimeiji mushrooms with tofu is done. Share this recipe with your family, they will love it too. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. Don't miss out, yeah. See you in next video.